With watching this video, you will be able to create your own crown cap currency. This is an awesome feature for youth camps, for example. We used this with the children at the scout camp. To prepare this new currency, you need a lot of caps. But if you're delighted by this idea, please do not drink that many bottles of beer for being able to start now. On top of these caps, you need a golden, bronze or silver varnish and an individual stamp. This stamp needs a diameter of 25 mm or 0.98 inches. Furthermore, you need a waterproof ink pad and tongs. And by the way, yes, I love the Seattle Seahawks. At first, you take the tongs and flatten the crowns to the outside. I know, if you need a lot of coins, this is a lot of work, but it's worth it. Take the varnish and spray the caps from both sides. Then take your stamp and the waterproof ink pad and stamp the caps with your own logo. That's all. At last you may put on a transparent varnish on top to prevent the color from crumbling away. If you like our tutorial series, please subscribe. Furthermore, it is possible to support us on Patreon. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching. For further information, please visit our website or get in touch with us.